Hi guys, today's video we're gonna get rid of that controller because I don't need it anymore. We're going to get the one and only golden 4-leaf clover, which is a golden 4-leaf clover. Yeah, I've tried to do the meme, but today we're getting the 4-leaf clover, the golden one. I'm gonna hit the public button. I want to see who wants to join. Yeah.
Oh,
hey,
man,
everyone, check out the new update. Oh, this is very cool. I'm gonna steal this.
What you gonna do about that?
The hell? Is that is the easiest?
Oh, little monkey with the stupid bomb hat.
Hey you, do you want to check out the new update with me? I'll take that as a no. Hey you. Hey you. Do you want to do a video with me? I don't think any of my friends are online. Oh wait, they are! Cheese ball! Hopefully bro didn't scream at me like last time. You don't want to know what happened. Screamed at me to leave. Very annoying, but okay.
Who's this kid?
Hello.
Wait.
Please
Wait, I'll remember. I think I'll remember you. I think I'll remember you for a long time ago. I think.
My controller's gone.
Wait,
but,
wait.
Yo, dude, the update's actually crazy, bro. Have you checked it out?
Yes.
It's so cool, you know.
Yeah. I think I remember you from a long time ago. Didn't I meet you in the OG map?
Yeah, I think. I mean, I have you added on VR, I'm pretty sure.
Wait, you do?
That's probably how I have you added. I'm like 90% sure I do. Hold up.
Wait, Cheeseball, can I get your start now?
Hey. Can I give you something?
Yeah, I have you added, yeah.
My banana chips.
Hey, dude, can you help me with something, bro?
What?
Yeah, I'll help you.
It's very scary. Just follow me. It's very shiver me timbers, you know what I mean? It's very scary. Just jump down here. Oh, it's hard to do it with one hand, but... Hello, banana. Wait, why are you going down? Why am I going up? Banana!
Where are you?
Oh crap! I can't talk on my mic thing. Banana, where are you?
Banana!
Banana! Dude, bro, it's actually very scary, bro. It's shiver me timbers. Actually, it's up here. I'm too scared to check it out by myself. Like, cause I feel like it's gonna be like a ghost monster in here. If you come down here, it looks pretty peaceful. Then, oh, you banana! You just jump scared me. This is Captain is dead. Then there's a big door. I don't know if I can open it. But look. How do I open it? Banana, I have an idea.
What's idea?
We could get guns and teleport in there.
Oh, yeah, come on.
Okay, let's go back to spawn. There should be a teleporter up here. I'm pretty sure I saw one.
Yeah, there is. Let's go. Get me out. Wait, can you add your friend to the call?
Huh? Dude, you should come with us.
Wait, your target,
can
I
I
add you?
Yeah, add me. Dude, it's very scary.
Wait,
Both of you guys take one of these. It's gonna help if you're coming.
Let me
Cheese
add
ball,
him
if you're
to-
coming, this would help. Like a lot. Dude, we gotta do this. This is very scary. Very scary, if you know what I mean. Let's go. I'm scared. Where's banana dude? Go banana.
Where are you?
I'm on the ship. Ah! Banana dude.
I'm
Hold on, I'm gonna get a call.
Okay. Rah!
Yo.
Yo, sir.
Okay, let's glitch in now. Let's try glitch in. This is very scary. Dude, let's try getting in here. Cause the fact that it just says the captain is dead, that's how you know there's gonna be like some big captain, like a pirate, like the guy from SpongeBob. He's like a pirate and a ghost thing. Pretty scary.
Wait, how do you get to say this?
Oh, you have to like do this. What I'm doing. It's very hard. Okay, so totally not bad stuff. Do you want to know what's in there? I can't. But the thing that's in here is absolutely nothing. It sent me out. I couldn't even get in. I'm having a crash out right now.
Maybe that's the next update.
Probably. Okay, I fell in the water. Like, this looks like the thing for SpongeBob, I'm not gonna lie. It's like a haunted pirate ship. A chest! Open the door. Oh, start with it. I'm trying to find another way to get it. Beans! Oh, no, it's apples. I thought that was beans for a second. I was like, beans! What is beans doing there? Look, I actually haven't been to the top of the pirate ship. But can I stir the pirate ship? Like, dude, there's no way the boss is. Oh my god, it actually moved. Dude, it moves. It's spinning. Now wait, this is sick. Dude, it's spinning. The pirate ship is. Well, pirate ship's not spinning, but the sails are. That's sick. Dude, come up here, come up here, come up here. Where are you? Time to get back to my video and actually look for the golden thing. Hey guys, can you guys help me find the golden clover for the clover? I know the location of one of them, which is pretty. I know the location of one. It's right here. It's right close.
Wait, where?
Right here. It's underneath here.
There's also one in Creative Studios.
Creative Studios. That's close.
I'm gonna have this.
Wait, do we need to pick the club up?
I don't know. I'm going to Creative Studio to find it. Because I'm trying to get the clover.
I think it's gonna be in here.
Found it!
I knew it was gonna be in here. Right, mines.
Mines. Okay, I don't know where the. I think there's 5 of them. But let's go.
Whereabouts are mines?
Hey, don't look.
I'm going in mines because I'm trying to find all the clovers, to be honest.
Well, we found 2 so far.
I want to go down and see where it beeps at. Cause
Do
it
you
could be
think it's gonna be in the lava then?
Okay. I think I know where.
Wait, I found it!
What? Where?
Over here.
W. Okay, so
Remember it glows in the dark. Wait,
okay. Now can you mind? Let's find the green rock so we can get out of here real quick.
do we need to do we need to pick them up?
I don't know. Dude, mine this green crystal so we can get out of here.
I don't have
Guys,
anything to
I
mine. So I think we have to walk back.
Oh no, bro! I'm not gonna get back, bro. What am I?
We have to walk back.
Cool.
Oh, over here, it's over here.
I'm trying to find the clovers. Dude, I'm not even back from mine. I'm still at mine. I have to get out of the village first. If I can find the flippin' exit. Lucky, hold up. Yeah.
Do you wanna share that items?
Do you want to what?
Share the items.
You can, but I'm looking for the things. When did we have OG Forest back? But since when did they bring back OG Forest? What's this? Bro, there's a new lake here? Since when did Forest have all of this? That's sick. Okay, let's look. Sadly, they got rid of the 99 nights. That's pretty sad. That's actually fun to play. It's very fun with friends. But unfortunately for me, I have no friends, you know. No, I'm joking. Wait, they got rid of everything. Like, there's nothing at Forest. Wait, so then, where would... Oh, no, it's over here, that's why. Why is there just a crate sitting here and nobody else? Oh, yay. I have a crate now. I accidentally found another.
We're in forest. I'm in forest.
So someone the entrance of this thing like
Found one.
Yeah?